Our solar system is a part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. The Milky Way consists of billions of stars and more than 500 solar systems, one of them being ours. Within our solar system, there is one star, which is the Sun, 8 planets, and 149 moons. Our Sun is one of over 100 billion stars in our galaxy. The Sun is also super hot, the surface being 5,800 Kelvin degrees, or 9,980.33 degrees Fahrenheit, and the inside being 15,600,000 Kelvin degrees, or 28,079,540.33 degrees Fahrenheit. Although the Sun is huge and takes up most of the space in our solar system, it is only made up of two gases. The Sun is about 70% helium and 28% hydrogen. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Due to its small distance from the Sun, Mercury is super hot. During the day, it could reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but at night, it could be as cold as negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury is the smallest planet other than some moons. Since it is so small and close to the Sun, it has no moons because it wouldn't be able to hold its own moon. If there was a moon, it would either crash into Mercury or be pulled in by the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the sixth largest in our solar system. Sometimes Venus is seen as Earth's sister planet since they are close in size. However, Venus has thick clouds and is composed of carbon dioxide. One mystery that is involved with Venus that scientists still can't figure out is why it does not have a moon. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the fifth largest. Earth is our home, so it's easy for scientists to study our planet. Earth consists of mostly water since we have 5 oceans and many seas, lakes, and rivers. Earth also has many layers known as the crust, mantle, and the core. Our planet has one moon that we can see at nighttime. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is the 7th largest. Mars is also similar to Earth because it has seasons, volcanoes, and weather. However, since its atmosphere is so thin, liquid water cannot exist. Thus, no life can be there. Its red color comes from the iron on the planet. Also, Mars has 2 moons, and both have names, which are Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and is the largest planet in our solar system. The planet is a mix of hydrogen and helium, and its swirls are cold, windy clouds of water and ammonia, a strong gas. Jupiter has a big red spot on it, which is a giant storm that is bigger than Earth and has been going on for hundreds of years. Jupiter also has more than 50 moons, and there are a dozen more to be discovered. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and is the 2nd largest. Saturn is unique in the sense that it's the only planet with rings surrounding it. Its rings are made of chunks of rock and ice, and the planet itself consists of mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn also has 53 confirmed moons and 9 unconfirmed moons. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and is the 3rd largest. Uranus is cold and windy and is seen as an ice giant. The planet is surrounded by 13 faint rings and 27 small moons. Uranus is unique because it sits on its side. Due to this, when the planet rotates, it appears to spin on its side like a rolling ball. Neptune is the 8th planet and the 4th largest. This planet is the last of the helium and hydrogen gas planets and is cold and windy. Since this planet is so far from the Sun, it takes almost 165 Earth years for it to orbit the Sun. Neptune also has 13 moons, and one of them is as big as the dwarf planet Pluto. The universe is huge, and there's always more to be discovered. Just by looking at the stars or visiting the Science Museum, you can expand your knowledge about the vast unknown.